Hello. Just the student I was hoping to see. I'm sure you've noticed the portals that have appeared around Adventure Academy. They take you to the Astralands, a place full of curious creatures called Pheropians. They're old friends of the Academy and have been noticing some unusual things going on. Would you mind checking in with them? Well, my old friend Rumor is the ambassador there. Once you go through the portal, he should be there waiting. Ah, it looks like Mimo wants to go with you. She's a creature from the Astralands who got stuck on this side of the portal. She knows everything from our kiosk. She'll be a big help in Astraland. Why don't you take her with you? That sounds like a yes. Try interacting with one of the portals around Adventure Academy.
Crash courses. Today's crash course is on Microraptors, a four-winged dinosaur from the Cretaceous period. You know, Sandra, it's hard to get a real sense of what these primordial creatures really look like from these simple illustrations. That's why I'm going to visit one in its natural habitat.
That's impossible, sir.
When you say impossible, I hear, I'm possible.
What does that even mean?
It means I'm going to travel back in time 120 million years using this untested, homemade, time-traveling device.
That's a horrible idea, sir.
Well, time will tell. First, I need to set it. Let's see. I gotta go back 120 million years. 1, 2, 3, 4. This might take a while. Go ahead and give today's fast facts. Fact number 1. Microraptors have 4 wings. Some scientists think they use their wings to glide from tree to tree. Number 2. Word microraptor comes from the Greek word micro, which means small, and the Latin word raptor, meaning one who seizes or grabs. And number 3. Microraptors are an example of how dinosaurs were very similar to birds in some ways. Okay, Sandra, I'm ready. Activate the time machine. Okay, I've successfully traveled back in time and jumping Jurassic. Look, a Microraptor, live in the flesh. Drats, that earthquake scared it away.
That wasn't an earthquake, sir.
Sandra, you're 120 million years in the future. How could you possibly... No! Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.